A woman with long red hair sits at a work table, considering a slip of paper. A digital rendering of a large, interlocking weave is examined on a laptop, then considered as a series of soft sculpture panels. A man with wild silver hair discusses the woven panels, which are arranged to form the bodice of a dress. A digital rendering of the dress is shown on the laptop. The panels, which resemble leather chainmail, are sewn onto black fabric by hand. The digital rendering is examined close up. In the corners of the panels, the links grow smaller and tighter and resemble reptile scales. Another panel shaped like an eye is sewn onto a sheet of black fabric. The silver-haired man discusses the half-built dress with two colleagues. Panels are sewn to the fabric by hand, and the mini-dress is worn by a sewing mannequin. Adjustments are made to the hem. Pinned together on the mannequin, the dress resembles fitted chainmail armor. Considering, the redhead nods. The silver-haired man makes adjustments to the bust with help from a young bearded colleague. Panels of black scales are added to the garment. A cupped shoulder pad is put into place. When flipped over, two back panels resemble wings with stiff black feathers. More stitching is done by hand. The dress is modeled by a woman in black patterned tights. The silver-haired man and his colleagues discuss and consider her. The model playfully shakes her hips, earning a laugh from the others. Later, the dress is worn by a woman in a black mesh bodysuit. At a fashion show, a dour model parades down a U-shaped runway in an altered version of the dress. Audience members look on and take pictures.